No, this is my style. Look. I think I'll get this. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's so good. Thai. What? It's 30. Did she say 20?
No.
Oh.
What?
Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. We're still in Qingdao, and right now we're in the, how do you say that? This is the CBD area of Qingdao. So we're just coming here to get a massage. Also gonna be shopping. Aiden just took me to this place. Massage! This is the first time I see like this. Yeah.
This is the most local massage shops.
Ah, okay. How much is it?
200 baht for 1 hour.
It's already finished?
Yeah.
Wow. So how was it?
Yeah, it's painful.
It's painful?
She's like pressing so hard. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's only one person, so I didn't get the chance to experience today, but I'm sure I'll try it another day. I think now we're just gonna go out. Ida wants to buy some chicken basket, I think, but she's not buying that for the chickens. We don't have chickens yet. She's buying that to turns to like lamp caps. So hopefully gonna find some like nice pretty ones. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Bye. So where are we going now?
We're heading back, I think. Yeah. And then on the way back home, we can get my bicycle.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking about to go to the gym tomorrow. Ida has a bike, so I'm probably gonna just ride the bike myself to go to the gym. We'll see. Hopefully the construction work is already finished. Otherwise
we're still early right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we can go somewhere to eat something.
Yeah. Otherwise there's no place for us to sit at home. It's so dusty and loud. But poor kittens, they're home, they're so scared. Hello. Hello. Look at this one, it's so cute. Super cute. Hello. 太乖了。
店给彼此挑衣服。
Oh my god！ 我们做一期吧，我们俩可以做一期。我觉得我们还能买一些特别好看的衣服呢。No, this is my style. Look.
Yeah, we can choose out each other some clothes to try.
I think we should.
Do this challenge.
Yes.
Just don't pick me something like this.
No, I will try to find like the most sexy ones here in the shop.
Or this. I don't look good in pink.
Wow.
Oh, I want to try this.
Guys, we just arrived at this local market, so just coming here to pick up some dinner. Let's see what we can find.
Do you want sausages?
No, I don't want sausages, thank you. This egg is pretty good. It's completely like scrambled inside with some... Okay. They always think I'm Thai, but I don't speak the language at all. Thank you. Wow, 这个橘子才35，我们一会儿买一点嘛，我以为都过季了。It's only 35 baht. On the way back, we can pick up some.
Okay.
Oh my god, 这瓜子也是好便宜，才35。Oh my god. 啊，但是麻球我觉得一般，不是很喜欢吃那个。I have been here once and we bought this like cold noodle, so I want to see if I can buy that today. My god, look at that fish. This fish is crazy. some like juice here. Huh? No, no, not this. It's the like it's packed. 就是那种凉面一样的东西。Wow, they're all for takeaway. 哎，他们有猪耳朵哎。This is pig ear. I don't know. Do you want?
可以来一个。
当个小菜吃。Okay. Pig ear.
Curry chicken.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
I want to try to find if I can find the noodle. If not, then maybe take that. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's so good. So this is like green curry. And then we get like some chicken here. This chicken smells really, really good. It's also spicy. I think this is pork. Some mushroom. And this is like bamboo. They all packed here. It's ready for you to take. 它有笋子 bamboo。
水应该挺好吃的吧？
对，我觉得应该很好吃。没有面，我买个那个笋子吧，然后就可以就个饭吃，你挺好吃的。Oh, we also got some fish here. 50 baht. Hi. Fresh veggies. Anything else? No. Okay.
生的。
啊。Sausage. I think this is sweet sausage. What is it?
If you put this on top of noodle, it's also very delicious.
Yeah, but we don't have noodles. They do? 哦，那个看着不好吃。But they don't have rice, right?
นี่ข้าวไหม
Oh, okay. Then I think I'll get this. No, but-
ข้าวสวย
Yes.
This is the
ไก่อร่อย
No, no, I want this, yeah.
อันนี้หน่อไม้นะลูก
อันนี้เป็นอันนี้ใช่ไหมโอเค
Okay. That's a lot. How much is it?
30 บาทลูก
เท่าไหร่
30เจ้า
3-4โอเค
Something. So it's something. I don't know how much is it. So how much?
30
It's what?
It's time for you to learn some Thai.
What? It's 30. $1. Can you believe this? This is crazy. They also got some dim sum here. Steamed right here. Can I also maybe just get rich by this by chance?
เท่าไหร่คะโอเคเอาถูกมาเป็นไรใส่นี่ก็ได้
Is this rice inside or shrimp?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
20
Okay. 20 for the shrimp. I wonder what is this? Maybe get one of those. 我不想吃，看起来不新鲜，颜色感觉不舒服。这个是什么啊？
没有要不
算了吧
要开心嘛
觉得算了吧，还是吃了吧。Oh, this pork. What is that?
This is the sour pork.
Okay. Sour
Very
pork.
northern Thai style, but I like it so much. It's is like the virgin. This one is
อันนี้
uncooked.
5 ชิ้น 5
Ah,
ค่ะ
okay.
This one's cooked.
Hmm.
inside.
อ่า
Yay.
I'm gonna buy some beers for the workers.
Okay. I saw you have like 2 Korean beer under the sink.
Under the sink?
Yeah, I saw there's like Korean beers.
Korean beers?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Are they empty?
No, I think they're full.
Really?
Yeah.
That's water.
Oh,
I
okay
think
then.
that's not beer.
Okay then. She's gonna buy some beer to wash down the meat. Okay. Eden just told me this is fruit. I thought it's like
Leaf.
leaf. Yeah.
It's star fruit. And it's actually quite delicious.
Yeah, I like it. There's like bigger ones here. Oh, this one's really good.
Pick some.
Ah, look at those. Nobody's eating them. Hey, who are you? Why you keep licking me?
The stock is really very clingy. Hello, 大黄.
Yeah, but it looks like the
Some of them are bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. But some of them are still good. You can try. I tried last time. I liked it. Like sweet and sour.
yeah. Star fruit. Yeah, just come here to Eden's friend's house to pick up this bag. Such a cute bag.
好，你骑，我拍你。
Huh, it's called a city bag. It's not for here. 好，这样一些这个。Okay, I'm gonna be driving this bike myself.
Be careful.
See you later. Whew. La 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 la. La 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 la. I just hope there's no random dog come out of nowhere. That'll be good. Okay, passing by. I think this is a school. They're burning something inside. Almost home, guys. Almost. Hi. Yeah. While you're here. Ah, okay. I know I'm slow. Wow. My goodness. The view. Okay, let's buy some chicken stuff.
ได้เม้นกับอยู่
You want to put on the ceiling, right?
No, not the ceiling. I have like 2 pillars in front of the bamboo house,
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna hang 2.
Ah,
lamps.
okay. Yeah.
So I think this is.
Yeah, this already
Actually,
looks good.
I like this unfinished one.
Yes.
better
I
than
like
the
it too.
finished one.
เอาลูก5 บาทไปละ
How about?
5 บาท
Okay.
Did she say 20?
No,
Oh.
5 baht.
What?
5 baht each.
No.
ดูสวย
But that is like nothing.
Okay. Yeah, well, if they sell to the suppliers, they sell like 2
Fuck,
baht.
that's way too cheap.
They sell like 2 baht for I don't know ใช้เวลากี่ชั่วโมงทานนี่
บ่เหมือน
I don't know, I feel
ใช่
bad.
ไงเนี่ยมันเนี่ย
It's like tons of work for like only 2 baht per one. It's just insane. I mean, you have to cut off the bamboo first and cut into those pieces.
She said
Uh,
it takes like 30 minutes to make one chicken coop.
oh,
And
30
she's
minutes.
selling 2
Can we
baht.
pay her more?
Yeah, of course.
5 baht, seriously? Like, that's just
I
insane.
actually want to learn how
Yeah,
to make this.
maybe next time you can come here.
Next time, yeah. I
I'm
can-
sure she'll be allowed to teach you.
Yeah, we can pay her like workshop fee.
Yes, yes, correct.
ค่าขอบคุณค่า
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ไปแล้วค่ะ
ค่า
Hello, Blula. Ow! Okay, my hands. Okay, I see. I'm also happy to see you. Okay. Good girl. Okay, let's go inside. Time for dinner. We decided to eat here today.
Okay.
Yay! So we have some egg. And this is pork ear. And then we got this bamboo and also with the chicken inside. And this is only 30 baht for such a big bowl. And what is this?
Shrimp.
Oh, right, shrimp.
Yeah.
20 baht for this.
Yeah. And
And this is sour pork.
this is like 10 baht something. This is my favorite.
And they're all so delicious. Hi, Tiger and Blue. Watch us. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye. 哦，这个里面还有鸡肉，还是你混着混一起的？
没有，本来就有。
然后有鸡肉才30。
你来泰国多久了？你还是会被自己的物价吓到。
对啊，但是30就还是很夸张啊。
这里鸡肉就是很便宜，我那天买了一整只鸡才120。你要不要尝试一下这个？
我吃一点点吧。
咬一口吧。
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video and make it this far. If you're new here, my name is Byanca. In early 2020, I left home for a week trip, ended up stuck outside of my own country. For the past 2 years, I've been gypsy around the world until I can get a ticket to fly back home. I use YouTube to document this incredible journey. In the beginning, it was just a place for me to storage all the good memories, but as time flies by, my pocket is getting smaller and smaller. Now I treat YouTube as my full-time job and I'm working on it every single day. Recently, I have started my own Patreon. This is a place for people who ever want to support me on this journey or just simply wanted to encourage me to create more contents as YouTube income is really not stable. I'll put the link of my Patreon in the description box. Any amount is appreciated. No stress at all. Hope to see you there. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video.